Hello everyone, my name is Tom. Today, I want to tell you about my daily routine. This is what I do every day, from the morning until the night. Please listen carefully and follow my story. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Sometimes I wake up at 6:30, but usually I wake up at 6. My alarm clock rings. Beep, beep, beep. I open my eyes. I feel a little tired, but I know I must get up. I sit up in bed. I yawn. I stretch my arms. Then I put my feet on the floor. I stand up and walk slowly to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I brush my teeth. I use my toothbrush and toothpaste. I move the brush up and down, left and right. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. After brushing my teeth, I wash my face. The water is cold. The cold water makes me feel awake. Sometimes I smile in the mirror and say, "Good morning, Tom." Next, I take a shower. I turn on the shower. The water is warm. I like warm water in the morning. I wash my hair and my body. I feel fresh and clean. After the shower, I dry myself with a towel. I comb my hair in front of the mirror. Then I put on my clothes for the day. Today, the first wear a blue shirt and black trousers. I also wear my watch. Now, I am ready to eat breakfast. I go to the kitchen. In the kitchen, I prepare breakfast. For breakfast, I usually eat bread, eggs, and fruit. Sometimes I eat rice, but usually I eat bread. Today, I eat toast with butter. I also eat 1 boiled egg. I eat an apple too. I drink a cup of tea. Sometimes I drink coffee, but today I drink tea. While I eat breakfast, I look at my phone. I read some news. I check some messages. I don't write messages in the morning, but I read them. After breakfast, I wash the dishes. I clean the table. Then, I pack my bag for work. I put my notebook, a pen, my wallet, and a water bottle inside. Finally, I put on my shoes. It is now 8 o'clock. I am ready to go to work. I leave my house. I walk to the bus stop. It takes 5 minutes. At the bus stop, I wait for the bus. Other people are also waiting. Some people talk. Some people look at their phones. I listen to music with my earphones. When the bus comes, I get on. I tap my card. I sit down on a seat near the window. The bus ride takes 20 minutes. I look out the window. I see cars, shops, trees, and people walking. Sometimes I think about my day. Sometimes I just listen to music. At 8:30, I arrive at my office. I get off the bus. I walk into the office building. I say hello to the guard at the door. At 9 o'clock, I sit at my desk. I turn on my computer. First, I check my email. I read messages from my manager. I read messages from my colleagues. Then, I write a to-do list. I write down my work for the day. This helps me stay organized. In the morning, I usually work on reports. I type information on the computer. I read documents. I write emails. Sometimes I have a short meeting. At 11 o'clock, I feel a little tired. I drink some water. I eat a banana as a snack. Then, I continue working. At 12 o'clock, it is time for lunch. At lunch, I go to a small cafe near the office. I order rice with chicken and vegetables. I also order a glass of orange juice. I sit down at a table. Sometimes I eat with my colleagues. Sometimes I eat alone. Today, I eat alone. While I eat, I think about my morning work. I also think about my plans for the evening. After lunch, I pay for my food. I walk back to the office. In the afternoon, I have more work. Sometimes I call clients. Sometimes I write reports. Sometimes I check numbers. Today, I write a report. I type for 2 hours. I look at the screen. I write, I check, I write again. At 3 o'clock, I feel tired again. I stand up. I walk a little. I stretch my arms and legs. Then, I drink a cup of tea. After that, I continue working. At 5 o'clock, the workday ends. I pack my bag. I say goodbye to my colleagues. I leave the office. I go home by bus again. I arrive home at 5:30. When I arrive home, I take off my shoes. I wash my hands. I rest for 10 minutes. Then, I cook dinner. For dinner, I usually cook rice, meat, and vegetables. Sometimes, I cook noodles. Today, I cook noodles with vegetables. I eat dinner at 6:30. I drink water with my dinner. After dinner, I wash the dishes. I clean the kitchen. Then, I sit in the living room. At 7:30, I watch TV. Sometimes, I watch the news. Sometimes, I watch a movie. Today, I watch a comedy show. It makes me laugh. At 8:30, I read a book. I like reading. I read slowly. Reading helps me relax. At 9 o'clock, I call my parents. I talk with them on the phone. We talk about our day. We talk about our family. I feel happy when I talk to them. At 9:30, I take a shower. I wash my body and my hair. I feel clean and fresh again. After the shower, I brush my teeth. I put on my pajamas. I drink a glass of water. I check my phone for a few minutes. At 10 o'clock, I prepare for bed. I set my alarm for 6 o'clock tomorrow. I lie down in bed. I close my eyes. I think about my day. Then, I fall asleep. This is my daily routine. I wake up, I work, I eat, I relax, and I sleep. Every day is similar, but every day is important. Thank you for listening to my story.